Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sekarang ni dah pukul 12 lah. Hari Sabtu. And just nak beritahu kat korang, yesterday was Outdoor Expo Day 1. So aku dekat sana since Friday lah, sampai ke malam. And apa yang aku boleh share, aku jumpa 3 kawan-kawan lama lah. First aku jumpa DTC Derek. Lepas tu aku jumpa Fatih. Malam masa closing tu Fatih datang. And aku jumpa Adib, aku punya teammate Decathlon yang aku rasa dia dah resign setahun lebih kot. So what happened was, aku notice orang tak kenal aku. Maybe in their mind, F3 yang dulu, yang 3 tahun dulu. So masa tu aku berat lah, 140 kilo, a bit plump. And the reaction was macam Derek lah, masa aku dia lalu. And that time I was taking a break, lepak dekat exit entrance. And aku panggil lah Derek. Dia macam pusing 2 kali. Dia datang, why you look different lah? So, and kita pun tak jumpa. The last that we saw each other was 3 years back kot, during was Outdoor Expo juga aku rasa. And dia kata, you look different. Memang lah, sebab cakap dia I've lost 25 kilo. Dia cakap betul lah, nampak ni lah, beza betul. And ada juga a few friend yang aku tak pernah berjumpa, tapi dia macam start tu tengok macam 3 kali. Satu macam tu lah. And Fatih pun the same. Masa was we doing the closing tu, dia datang dekat booth, dia cari aku. Tengok, Fi, lain lah. Lain sikit lah, dah turun sikit lah. And the same also macam adik pun, dia kata Fi dah lain lah. Is it because of operation ke apa benda? During operation dulu, he was my leader lah. So apa semua aku memang update kat dia, yang masa aku MC 3 bulan apa semua. So he was the one yang tahu pasal aku punya progression. And aku cakap dia, no, the surgery was done. And supposedly I've done this before, tapi aku tak buat. So sekarang ni I felt like this is something that I have to do lah. Itu yang aku lose weight lah. And dia cakap bagus lah, keep on doing lah. And dia tanya, what is your ideal punya weight? Cakap dengan dia, from 140 with my current punya tinggi, sekarang ni dah 112.8, 113 lah senang kira, to round up 113. I have to be at least below 100 lah. Dapat 90 pun dah okay, 80 pun dah okay. So that is I can say the realistic target lah. And dia cakap bagus macam ni, nampak macam seeing the progress. Dia rasa macam dia pun rasa happy. And also I also felt happy. And apa yang aku boleh share dengan korang, sebelum ni, kalau kata aku nak pakai kasut apa semua, aku nak bend over dekat kereta susah tau. So sekarang ni aku dah boleh bend over, and aku dah boleh pakai kasut dekat sini. So it seems that perut ni, keterikan perut tu dah semakin hilang. And yes, sebab my concern was to lose weight. Macam aku tak kisah sangat pun pasal inch loss apa semua. Tapi gradually, once you lose weight, you will see inch loss lah. And that is macam, I can say the bonus lah. It comes with the lose weight punya regime lah. So itu apa yang aku dapat lah. And yes, you see visible result lah. Kalau kata hampa nak berada di situasi yang sama, apa yang korang boleh buat, satu, stay in calorie deficit, watch what you eat, make sure intake dengan outtake tu balance lah. Ambil sikit, keluar banyak. Then try to move lah, burn more calorie. Macam aku, day by day aku akan burn like 800 calorie by kerja lah. And also I do senaman. By doing senaman also, you will gain more calorie punya burn lah. And also I think itu je kot. Maintain that, and you should be safe. Watch what you eat, stay in calorie deficit, move around, burn more calorie, and you should be safe. And you should be getting your ideal weight lah. Yes, dia tak mudah, but you have to start out somewhere. Find time, try to macam, don't even brisk walk pun, just walking sahaja 30 minutes every day. Try to make it consistent. And tu sajalah yang aku boleh share. Kalau kata korang berada di situasi yang macam aku, obese, nak start to berubah, do so.